and welcome to our phone and computer repair shop. Today, we're going to show you how to replace the screen on your MacBook Pro. As you can see, this MacBook Pro has a broken screen. This can happen if you accidentally drop your laptop or if something heavy falls on it. To begin, turn off your MacBook Pro and unplug it. Next, use a screwdriver to remove the screws that hold the bottom cover in place. Once you remove the screws, gently lift the cover off. You will now see the inside of your MacBook Pro. Take note of where the screws go, as you will need to put them back in the same place when you reassemble the laptop. The next step is to disconnect the battery connector. This is important as it will prevent any damage to the laptop during the screen replacement. Now, you can start removing the broken screen. Use the suction cup to gently lift the screen away from the body of the laptop. Be careful not to apply too much pressure, as this can damage the screen or the laptop. Once the screen is lifted, use the spudger tool to carefully disconnect the connectors that attach the screen to the laptop. Now it's time to install the new screen. Begin by connecting the new screen to the laptop using the connectors. Once you have connected the screen, gently lower it back into place. With the screen in place, it's time to reassemble the laptop. First, reattach the battery connector. Then, put the bottom cover back on and tighten the screws. Finally, turn your MacBook Pro on to make sure the new screen is working correctly. If everything is working properly, you have successfully replaced the screen on your MacBook Pro. That's all for today's tutorial. If you need any assistance with your phone or computer repairs, please don't hesitate to contact us at 562-219-5696 and visit us at 20916 Pioneer Boulevard, Lakewood, California, 90715. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such helpful videos.